All right. What is going on, everyone? Mega here with a new visual novel stream. Now, in this stream, as always, we're gonna be starting with Vroid, and and then we're gonna go into to doing some code. Now, we're not gonna be able to finish this sprite in this stream, mm, but we're gonna get as far as we can, and right now I'm in the eye editor of Vroid, and so we're gonna work in the. I'm gonna change the color of the eyes, and actually I think I may wanna change my camera view. There we go. Yeah, I like that view better. Okay. All right. So so now what we're gonna do is that first off we're gonna select the color. So let's go with a brown. Yeah, that looks brownish. So what we want is since we're gonna be working in this area right here first, I'm gonna need a light brown. Yep, and that looks good. And I'm gonna make sure mirror is clicked so that it does it on both sides. Oops. You want to be careful not to get that black area because we don't want that to be colored. And so yeah, I'm just gonna go in here and we're just gonna do a basic color, and don't worry about if it doesn't look too good because you can always just go in. All of these images are exportable. All these textures are exportable, so you can just go in and, well, not the image itself. Like what I usually do is that I usually just pose the sprite and then I take uh, a snapshot of the pose sprite, and then I mm, do any final edits to the completed sprite rather than exporting the texture itself, because it's easier that way. You could probably export this entire texture, but I just feel more comfortable, and like it's a lot easier just to pose the sprite and then just edit it in whatever image program you use. Okay, yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, and so now we're gonna go in with a dark brown, and we're gonna do the same thing. And actually, I'm actually gonna duplicate this so I can just work in here so I don't lose my progress. And again, I could always just go in and just do a post edit. So I'm not too worried about if it looks bad right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go around here. What I like about Vroid is that it's built like a image editing program. So you're basically drawing in 3D. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make the color darker. Yeah, that looks better. Unfortunately, I was hoping that the changes would apply to the changes that I already did, but that is not the case. So we're just gonna have to do it all over again. But that's why you have mirror selected, so that you don't have to do this twice. And this time I'm gonna make sure. Let's try and even this out a bit. And I'm also gonna change the color on the highlight as well, but not right now. Right now, I'm more concerned about the dark color. You know what? I'm actually gonna leave it. It looks pretty good. Alright. Now that that's done, we can go into the hair. I actually have a reference image that I'm gonna be using, which I can't show you because it's fan art. But yeah, let's first off I want to go into this texture, change the base color to black. Highlight. And outline is black. Okay. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now, I wish I can add facial hair, but VRoid doesn't have that option. So let's go in and actually make this hair. So first off, we're gonna add a procedural, and yeah, that looks pretty bad right now, but we're gonna work on it. No. First off, we're gonna straighten it out. And next, let's bring it up. I think there's a way you can actually... Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. Okay. And now let's go in and we're gonna fix up this design. Okay, let's see. What I want is to fix. That's what I want to fix. There we go. And now we're gonna change up the actual design of the hair. No, I don't want that. What I'm trying to do is figure out. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to twist it. I could just figure out how to twist it. Okay, I'm gonna have to convert it to brush hair. That way I can do it individually. Yeah, that's what I need. No, that's not what I need. I know there was a way you could do it. I know there was a way you could twist it. But I just need to figure out how to do it. There we go. Now I wanted to do it for like individual hairs, but it's not letting me do that. Well, sort of. back to my reference. No, I don't want to. This is what I hate about procedurals, is that it does it for the entire thing. I don't want to do it for the entire thing. There should be a way. You could. No, I don't want to do it for all of it. No, that didn't do it. I'm just gonna start from scratch, because this isn't working. This is the number one thing I hate about Vroid, is the hair is really tricky to make. And it's the same thing with 3D modeling in general. Hair is very tricky to make. I'm pretty sure there's a way you could do it for only. It's really weird that you can't change individual hairs unless you damn draw it, which is annoying. Oh, damn it, I'm gonna have to just damn draw. I think I'm gonna have to just damn draw it. I don't want to move the entire thing down. Yeah, I'm gonna try and draw it, because this is just getting annoying. I wanted to take the easier approach, but it's not working. Not long enough. Oh, that looks really weird. Reason I like procedurals is because it does it perfectly for you, but it's really hard to do specific hairs. You know what I'm actually gonna do is the tricky hair that I was trying to do. I think I'll actually draw it in. That way, I can get the hair that I want. Let's try this out just a bit. Let's make this not so. Maybe let's decrease it a little bit. And we're gonna clone it. There we go. Now the tricky hair that I was trying to get before, I got. So now I can add a procedural. So now, and then change the position. You see the flow you can do for procedurals, and that's what I want to do for single hair, but you can't do it for single hair, which I don't understand why. No, that's not what I want. This is what I want. No, that's not what I want either. No, that's not what I want. Let's change this to 1. That way that'll make it easier to work with. That's what I was trying to do before. Okay. So let's clone this one. We gotta select the procedural. Now it's starting to come together. Okay. And again, clone. Because it's the only way I can get... I seem to be able to getting what I'm trying to do. Now what I want to do is I want to see if I can combine procedurals together. Doesn't look like I can. So 388, 3.88, and 0.07. Those are the numbers I need. .88 and negative 0.07. Perfect. 3.88, negative 0.07. 3.88 and negative 0.07. 3.88 and negative 0.07. And finally, 3.88 and negative 0.07. And so now we're going to create a new procedure. This one we're going to move the position to over here, and again make it 1 here. Let's move this up. All right. Oh shit. That's why you always check the side view. I'm trying to just get it so that there we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to do. But now it looks weird. Over there. So to change that, I'm gonna have to yeah, there we go, that fixed it. Well, sort of. Because there's still that area right there that I need to adjust. There we go. Looks pretty good. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clone this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think I can add one more of these before I have to add one of these. So let's clone this one. And again, change the position. This one, I'm going to change the height. I'm going to have to do it manually. You know what? Actually, I think I can actually fit one more before I have to do the lawn hair. Okay, and if I can figure out which one it is. Oh, it's this one. And the position. And we're definitely gonna have to change the direction of it. All I want to do is just no, I don't want to clone. Well, yeah. I think I'm gonna just kind of have to make it a procedural. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to clone this one. So delete this. Yeah, just copy this one. Clone it, actually. That's what it's called. Alright, and the curve. There we go. So now I just need to get it out of the head. Fix it a bit. No, 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 no. This one is so damn difficult. I'm just gonna make it long for now. And just that way I can just create the curve. And just decrease it as needed. And let's try and change the position. Not too happy with the curve. There we go. Now it's starting to work. And as I said, we're not gonna be able to finish this sprite in this stream. This is just like basic work. I still need to draw all of his clothes, and I'm actually gonna have to export this one over to Blender and like do some facial hair work on him also, but so it's gonna take so this one's gonna take a while. And so now all I gotta do for this one is just clone it. Alright, I'm liking it. It's looking pretty good. So now to do the back. Yeah, and it's looking pretty good to my reference. Which I'm not putting on the stream, because I don't want any issues to be caused by showing fan art on stream. And so we're gonna clone this one. Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit tricky. Because first off, we need it to be right there, so that it's touching the end. But we also want it to not be covering the ears. And we also want it to be longer than the ears. I'm actually going to try doing a clone of this. See if I can do it that way. No. No, that's not going to do it. You know what? I'll just change it up from the reference. Oh yeah, need to definitely fix that. Yeah, so that's what I'll do. Alright, so I'll clone this. And I'm not doing any physics on this. Hair physics on this. I'm just leaving the default physics because that would be annoying. Because of all these groups that I have. Oh, that looks weird. Even though you're never going to see that part, it still looks weird. Okay, we're almost out of time for this part of the stream, because I need to go into programming soon. So I'm gonna see how much further I can get in this before it's time to go to the programming part of the show. Yep, okay, that's good. So now we're gonna clone this again. And yeah, that's pretty much how the basic process of making hair in Vroid. It's just creating a strand, that getting it into the position that you like, and just cloning it, really. Let's increase the width. That way I don't have to put another hair in there. Alright, and that's gonna pretty much do it for this part of the stream. So now I need to save it. And so now we're gonna go into programming. I'm just waiting for this to close. Alright, it's closed now. And so before we go into the programming section, I just want to go over something really quick. Right now, I actually am hosting my bot on Google Cloud. So unlike in the previous streams, we're not going to be working directly in my bot. We're going to be working in the tutorial bot that I originally made for YouTube. But so basically what I did is I just copy and pasted the code over that we were working on in the previous streams over to the YouTube bot. And so that's the bot we're going to be working with. And so just to show you, if I do my waifu command for my bot, you see the bot does the command, even though I don't have my my IDE open. I will cover cover how to do that in the future, but not right now, because we haven't even covered cogs yet, and cogs they're not that difficult, but they can be a bit tricky. Okay, so that all the way, let's open up the bot. Now with PyCharm, you have to be really quick. There you go. Okay. All right. And so this is basically where we left off. All right. And so let me figure out what we were doing. Oh, so we were working on Mama Raiko, and for some reason the image wasn't work. The image was taking forever to upload, which it failed to upload. So we're gonna try it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now let me open up those images. If I can find it, it's right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay. So it's this one that we need to do next. So let's drag over Imgur. We're gonna make a new post. What happened there? That was weird. Okay. This time it uploaded. So we can uncomment this. And there we go. It's up. It's in the bot now. So that was number 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay, upload complete. Oops. All right, that's number 9. And the last one. This one had to be my favorite one. Alright, upload complete. Have to copy it again. There we go. Okay, and so this is Mama Raiko. And it is 160 to 169. So then we have to go to youtube.py and change this to 160 to 169. Now the reason I do this is for verification. I make sure that the new section of code is working properly by checking the range of ints that I'm calling. So now we're gonna launch the bot, and again, once we go into hosting, we're not gonna have to do this launching and like unlaunching anymore. But for now, we have to do it this way. Okay, and as you can see, the bot is online. So the syntax for this one is y dot instead of r dot. So y dot waifu. while, but better watch. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. All right. So now let's go over and first off, close the bot. And let's go over and check what the next image on the list, character on the list was. Okay, so I did those. The next one was Gorgon. I believe Gorgon I did not do, but I need to verify. And we go down the list to make sure that I didn't do Gorgon. Yeah, it looks like I didn't do Gorgon. But I believe I created, I got images for her. Yes, I did. Now let me make sure all of them are the correct size. 500. No, they are not all the same size. Yep, these all need to be resized. Well, most of these have to be resized. Well, not all of them. Only a couple need to be resized. So it's not that bad. I think it's really only 2 that needs to be resized. And do the same thing for this one. That one's fine. And the rest are fine. Okay. So now I can go in and upload them. I'll let that upload because I need to create the name and the and the series name. I'm just gonna double check that I haven't done her. No, I have not. Make sure that she's not in an S tier either. No, she's not. Okay, good, perfect. And we're gonna copy this. 1. Oh shit. 1. I'm gonna copy this, actually. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And there's going to be more 8 here, so I need a comma there. And this one's going to be all the same thing. And of course, fix this. Okay. Now go down here and begin the next set of images. Copy image location. And the next image is in. There we go. Oops. Yep, I knew that was gonna happen. There you go. That's 2. Oh, this one's taking a while to upload. Okay. There we go. 3. 4. Wait for it to finish. There we go. That's 4. 5. 6. 'This has to be one of my favorite ones. Seven. Just a couple more. Number 8. wait for it to finish uploading. All right. Okay, done. All right, next one. Nine, and the last one. Yeah, that one uploaded really quickly. Okay. And so this one was Gorgon. And this is 170 to 179. Then go to YouTube and do it right there. 170 to 179. One. No, actually, I'll just copy the command so I don't have to keep typing it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so the reason why when I verify I do it 10 times is because I'm checking for like for the bot to get errors. If it's if no errors show up after 10 tries, then I feel like that I'm good. Now that doesn't mean that my verification isn't gonna miss any errors. That if you want to really verify that there are no errors, what you would do is that instead of doing rand int, you would just specifically state the index that you're looking for, the index that you're checking for to see if it will if the command will launch fine. So you would do chosen index equals 170 instead of random dot rand int. And then you would just call chosen index, like I do here. And then for each test, you just increment it by one for your set of images. Okay. So what's the next one? Oops, wrong thing. Next one is Medea, which I already did. And the last one that we're actually gonna do for today is Shikibu, I think her name is. Her name I can never remember because it's a weird name. Shikibu, yeah. I think I may have to resize these. Yes, I do. Yes. 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 All of them I need to resize. And the reason why I always close Paint.net after I've resized one image is because I don't like to have multiple pages of Paint.net open. But you can just leave Paint.net open for every resized image. You don't have to close it over and over again like I do. All right. Next one. All right, next one. Resize. With Paint.net. Image resize. And the last one. And I can't remember if I saved it, so I'll save it again. Okay. So now the uploading. While that's uploading, do the name and series. What was her name again? I can't remember. Oh, I don't have her first name. There we go. Murasaki Shikibu. Murasaki Shikibu. All right, let me copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just to verify, to make sure I didn't miscount, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And again, copy and paste this. Move this over. Okay. Go all the way down here. And go over to the image. That fade away. Okay. All right, next image. Let that finish uploading. And it's the same thing as in the previous streams. It's not letting me upload anymore. I guess there must be a limit to how much you can upload in a single time for Imgur. So yeah, this is gonna have to do it for this part of the stream, for actually the whole stream, because I can't upload it, so I can't continue. So this is gonna do it for this for this stream. And before we go, I just realized that I didn't talk about it earlier. We actually have a donation pool for the visual novel project that I'm actually working on, as well as for other projects. So if you want to help out, the link is in the description. So you can. So if you want to help out, it's there. So yeah, this has been Mega.